Currently now writing an essay for Rogers. And we might just, dip. We don't know yet. But
Puppy!
yeah.
We have people watching.
Puppy Kalito!
Writing the essay now. The upcoming cessation home life.
Okay. Go ahead, James. All attention on James.
Life can have so much meaning. However, 20 out of 100,000 humans take life for granted.
I don't want to hear this one.
Around 800,000 people die to suicide every year. Suicide people grow a hopeless soul over time because they cannot find their purpose throughout their life. I hope to inspire suicide people to find their purpose in life by presenting them my purpose through social media.
You're so stupid.
My purpose is to live life to the fullest and create the sensational life I want to experience. The common meaning of life is to fulfill one's purpose and accomplish their goals. My goal in life is to become the smartest, the wealthiest, and the finest man on the planet. If life was a poem, my verse would say, life is too short to be cut short or to live mediocrely, so dream big, grind every day, and become the impossible. Seize every moment and fulfill the prophecy. Although some goals can be difficult to fulfill, it does not mean the goal cannot be completed. Choosing wise habits to practice will lead me toward my goal to become the smartest human known to mankind. A great habit I possess is reading books. One book called The Art of War explains unique strategies and tactics used in warfare during the fifth.
No, we said don't. Hey, shut up, James.
Hey,
fulfill your part.
I'm not reading anymore. I'm not reading anymore.
George, will you shut your mouth?
You want me to read the rest?
What is interrupted?
Oh, whatever.
Your mouth shut. That's what I thought. Strengthen my critical thinking and problem solving. Just a simple book like this will increase my intelligence tremendously. However, there are many more novels and stories I must read to enhance my knowledge further. Becoming the wealthiest man is another vision I want to pursue in my life. Still pondering over the perfect startup company. Although the reason why I started vlogging was to record my legacy, I noticed individuals like David Dobrik make a living just vlogging his daily lifestyle.
Who's David Dobrik?
Therefore, I want to try and give vlogging a career shot. The journey could take many years or decades, but the outcome will definitely be worth my while. As Winston Churchill said, success is not final. Failure is not fatal.
Didn't he stab?
It is the courage to continue that counts. Additionally, society can watch my videos through social media. Hopefully, my videos will inspire them to find their purpose or help persuade them to reach their goals in life. My ideal looks will be the first goal I will accomplish. Having acquaintances compliment my aesthetics will strengthen my self-esteem.
Who's complimenting?
We're done with that essay.
Just take it fast from
As a
Corey.
result,
He'll
I will
be an
continue to
ego.
create the perfect physique and strive for a flawless face. Although society around me will see my incredible life I undergo every day, I only see my life as a mission unfinished. Once I complete my purpose in life, I will be ecstatic, on top of the world, and ebullient because my extraordinary life has been completed. Thus, I will look back on my journey to keep myself humble throughout the rest of my miraculous career. In the end, goals were not meant to be attained very easily. However, one may have a short-term goal which is a simple task to complete. Nevertheless, long-term goals are difficult tasks that will take plenty of time. On the other hand, the quest to accomplish the goal will be well worth the time spent to reach the objective. As a result, long-term goals are tough tasks that push one to endeavor every day to finish them, hoping to create that one-of-a-kind life that one should never waste valuable time and should attempt to reach their goal every day. As Mr. Keaton said,
Carpe diem! Yeah! I think he like Joe Biden.
I don't like Joe Biden.
Who do you like? Bill Clinton?
far Proc has gotten into his essay. Proc, the thing is due tomorrow or tonight, actually, midnight.
You don't talk to James. No, I don't like James.
Why don't you like me, Hannah?
James, you know why I don't like you? Because you always trying to start stuff.
That wasn't even me. Why?
Keep your mouth shut.
I literally said nothing.
James, you're kind of getting pounded.
Bro, I'm not the imposter, Hannah.
sound like a real egotistical.
You already do, Gordon.
Junk in this essay.
You sound like that no matter what.
Like, it's gonna be worse.
You're just reading
No,
it now.
it's gonna be worse.
Your
It's
ego
gonna be
is too
worse.
high.
Who did that go to?
Your mom.
Can I write about being like a farmer or something?
Is that not started?
Nope.
He has not typed a single thing, Maggie.
about Matt to write about how he has no purpose instead of having a purpose?
And I can quote Miss Nori.
Yeah,
You have a purpose.
You do have a purpose, because in my essay, you have a purpose. And you have a purpose, and you have a purpose. Everyone has a purpose.
Sounds so douchey.
Gord, you already do.
Sir, your biggest two head.
My biggest two biggest.
Your biggest through head.
Now he's not good at English.
Yeah, Gord.
I physically can't.
How much he has the extracurriculars supposed to? And you speak English and I don't.
Imagine not speaking two languages like that.
Hola.
Dude, Maui ran around like he had no brain cells as a corner.
You didn't even watch me play, bro.
Yes, I did. I've watched you play.
That's so gay. What do you want me to play?
My bad for watching my friend play. Ugh.
You don't watch Garrett play?
Of course I watched Garrett play. I played
Oh,
for
Garrett's
Garrett.
sexy. I don't know.
And that's not gay. That's a little sus.
Well, Maui's got a sus.
Now I kind of sus. Boil him out.
Gord, you're such a nerd. In the party, they were all saying that I'm better than Mason to do everything.
Are you talking about Garrett or are you talking about Mason?
Mason and Trey.
She might hit me now.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, Ethan, was that funny?
You do not want to get on over there.
Oh, I'm gonna start being so mean to you.
Come get. Play husband right now. Play husband right
Who's your
now.
husband?
Who is it, Candace?
My husband?
Yeah.
I'm
Oh.
gonna be part of Maggie's family.
Yeah.
Hey, the Alabama recruiter's coming tomorrow. And Calhoun.
Dude, I'm going to be Calhoun starting quarterback.
You're unathletic.
I feel like a shoe paper.
Wait.
That's not even that bad. Care to share?
Oh, this vlog could be great if James actually does it right.
This is what we're gonna build. See y'all in a little bit. Oh look, we just finished building it. Look at this finished product. Wow. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Oh shoot! Oh no. Oh, didn't see it, didn't see it. Get him! Yes sir! Run it, do it, let's go! Do it! Go! Go do it! Yes sir! Put him in there! Yeah! Here we go! That one, yeah! Garrett with another touchdown. Let's go. Smitch! Didn't Smitch have like a... Ooh, nice. Woo! What I need, Puck?
What are you doing, Death Row?
Hey! It's party city now, boys!